Hello friends, welcome to the Cybersphere Tech channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Huawei's exciting new model, the Huawei Mate XT. This phone stands out in the market with both its design and technological features. With its foldable display, powerful camera system, and high-performance processor, this model offers a truly unique experience. So if you're interested in this device, make sure to watch the video till the end. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with the world of technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Now, let's dive into the Mate XT and explore it in detail. Now, let's take a look inside the Huawei Mate XT box to see what's included. As always, Huawei presents its devices with high quality, and this model is no exception. First, we have the Huawei Mate XT itself, which stands out with its foldable design and sleek appearance. Inside the box, there's a 66-watt fast charger designed to quickly power up the phone. The included USB-C charging cable supports fast data transfer and charging. You'll also find earphones, so the device is ready for use right out of the box. Additionally, the box contains a car charger adapter, making it convenient to charge your phone while on the go. There's also a phone case included to protect your device from any external damage, ensuring it stays safe and secure. Lastly, the box includes a SIM ejector tool and user manuals to get you started. With all these accessories, the Huawei Mate XT is fully equipped and ready for use the moment you unbox it. When talking about the Huawei Mate XT, the design and functionality are truly impressive. First of all, the foldable design stands out. This design combines both compact and large screen usage experiences. In its folded state, the phone fits comfortably in your hand, measuring 160 by 78.5 by 11 millimeters, making it very practical for everyday use. However, once you unfold it, the 10.2-inch large AMOLED display is revealed, and its dimensions expand to 160 by 219 by 3.6 millimeters. This provides a widescreen experience, particularly ideal for watching videos or multitasking. When it comes to the display, it's a 2480 by 2200 pixel high-resolution screen supported by AMOLED technology. I must say, the 120 Hz refresh rate offers an incredibly smooth visual experience. Videos and games appear much more fluid, and the colors are very vibrant. The screen's sensitivity and color accuracy make it an excellent choice, especially for entertainment purposes. As for the cameras, Huawei continues to impress. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera that delivers highly detailed and balanced images. Accompanying it is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing group shots or landscapes. Additionally, the 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera offers 5.5 times optical zoom, allowing you to photograph distant objects with excellent detail and clarity. On the front, the device is equipped with an 8-megapixel selfie camera, which also supports 4K video recording. Although smaller in megapixels compared to the rear cameras, it still provides sharp and clear selfies, making it a great option for selfie enthusiasts. The Huawei Mate XT stands out with its high performance and multifunctional design. First of all, it's worth noting that the device is equipped with the Kirin 9010 chipset and 16 gigabytes of RAM. This allows for the simultaneous use of multiple apps and ensures that even demanding games run smoothly. The processor, built on 7-nanometer technology, offers both energy efficiency and powerful performance. In terms of the battery, the device features a large 5,600 milliamp-hour battery, which ensures long-lasting usage. Additionally, the 66-watt wired fast-charging technology allows the device to fully charge in a short time. Moreover, it supports 50-watt wireless charging and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging, providing extra convenience. The device also offers a wide range of internal storage options. The 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Storage variants allow users to store plenty of photos, videos, and apps. With 16 GB of RAM, the device handles tasks at high speed, making it easy to manage any workload. As a premium category device, the Huawei Mate XT truly impresses. It's an ideal choice for users seeking strong performance, a foldable design, and multi-functionality. Now, let's talk about the price of the Huawei Mate XT. Since this device falls into the premium category, its price is on the higher end. The Huawei Mate XT starts at approximately $2,700. Of course, this price varies depending on the storage capacity. The model with 1 TB of storage can go up to around $3,000. While the price might seem steep, it's important to remember that you're paying for a device with foldable design, powerful performance, and multi-functionality. So, for technology enthusiasts who value innovation, this price range can be seen as reasonable. The Huawei Mate XT has its advantages, but also a few drawbacks. Some users have noted that the folding screen develops dark spots or creases over time at the fold. This can be a concern for long-term use. Additionally, when the phone is fully unfolded, answering calls can be awkward. While it's possible to fold the phone to answer, this might affect user convenience, especially since the unfolded device is larger and heavier. Finally, foldable devices in general are more prone to wear and tear over time, particularly the folding mechanism. For some users, these issues could be considered downsides of the device. Today, we talked about the Huawei Mate XT, covering both its strengths and weaknesses. I was thinking of buying this phone myself, but I believe I need to think it over a bit more. The foldable design and strong performance are definitely appealing, but there are some concerns about its long-term usability that I need to consider. If you're also thinking about getting this phone, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Your feedback is really important to us, so let us know in the comments. Do you think the Huawei Mate XT is worth buying? Or should we consider other options? See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.